How to delete all Snapchat messages easily. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Then click on the chat icon at the bottom. After you've clicked on the chat icon at the bottom, you'll find all your chats. Now, to delete all the messages, simply select the person you want to delete message of. Hold on to that person and you'll find this kind of screen. Click on chat and notification settings. After that, click on clear from chat feed. After that, you can simply press on clear and the chat will be cleared. But if you want to delete all the chat at once, click on your profile at the top left and then click on gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. In here, simply scroll down and click on clear conversation, which is the second option in account actions. Now you'll find all the people you have messages with. Now you can press on the cross mark and delete all the conversation. And this is how to delete all Snapchat messages easily. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.